Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is from the P case, and this is a Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. And I know there is one more version of it, which is the STH Super Treasurant. It has a Spectra flame paint job and rubber tires as well. So I'm not that lucky to get that one. Even this one is like only one in the box. So luckily I was able to get this one, and I paid only 149 rupees, which is the price here in India. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. And I gotta say, there was a lot of hype for this one, and I think one more is the Bugatti, if I'm not wrong. So I will be unboxing Bugatti also, maybe the next upcoming days. I already planned for that one, so keep an eye on my channel. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions are, the paint job looks really nice. It is kind of a, it looks dual tone, but I don't think it's a dual tone. The purple looks really amazing. I personally love this color. The rims looks really nice. Actually this one and what is this one? Alfa Romeo, both are actually same. So I have it here with me. So these both have actually same rims. But the difference being, it's colored white here on the outside of the rim. So the headlights are actually embossed, but it's not even painted. I wish they actually did some paint job there to make it more awesome. So one good thing is they actually added the rear mirrors here. The paint job looks really nice, and the interior looks really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, that is smooth and fast, but both wheels wobble a little bit. It's not like either that Benz or Bronco. Benz is the worst. Bronco is a bit better, but this this one is better than Bronco. But it does really smooth. Does really roll very smooth. Regardless, the wheels are really wobbly. The detailings are really great. So I personally love this piece. Anyway, I'm not going to play with it. I'm just going to keep it in a box or in a showcase. So this one is a win-win for me. Okay guys, so that's it for today. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.